I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, mostly in the mid-30s to around 40, even some mid-40s to the upper 50s towards northwest Kansas. A ridge of high pressure returns widespread sunshine to the forecast tomorrow and Friday, and highs in the mid-40s to around 50. Light snow and flurries are possible in the Sandhills and northern Nebraska late Friday night through Saturday morning. Highs over the weekend cooling into the mid-30s to the low 40s. Moisture-starved low pressure dropping south out of Canada ushers in occasional light snow chances Monday through Tuesday. Arctic air drops are highs into the low to mid-30s Monday, mid to upper 20s for Tuesday. Long-term forecast maintains the outlook of colder than normal temperatures Monday through February 18th in Nebraska and Kansas. Looks like the worst of the cold is going to be from the Dakotas into Montana. By February 18th in central Nebraska, daytime highs are typically in the low 40s with average overnight lows in the upper teens. Above normal precipitation is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas Monday through February 18th. Slightly higher chances are early next week. Key weather factors driving the markets include active weather for the U.S., decreasing rain in parts of central Brazil, and brief but heavy rain for the driest areas in Argentina. A complex and possibly dangerous storm unfolds today into tomorrow from the northern plains into parts of the Midwest and Northeast. Damaging freezing rain may occur in the central Appalachians, while many other areas receive varying amounts of wintry precipitation. Mostly rain falls across the southern portions of the precipitation shield, including the Tennessee Valley. A second storm follows with additional precipitation in the Midwest and Northeast this weekend. 5-day precipitation could reach 1 to 3 inches in the central Appalachians and nearby areas. Across Florida and from the desert southwest into the central and southern plains, dry weather prevails the next 5 days. The next storm, the early to middle of next week, stays mostly across the southern U.S. That's followed by another storm tracking across the U.S. late next week and weekend. Across central Brazil, heavy rain is decreasing, but rain continues through next week for productive areas of the West, extending the delays of soybean harvest and planting second crop corn that has a very tight window to be finished. Southern Argentina is seeing heavier rain, which stabilizes crop conditions but does not reverse the decline. Hot and dry weather returns to Argentina late this week and weekend, and rain next week not expected to be widespread or beneficial. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.